My name is Shaid Hussain. I'm a third-year student at Peninsula Dental School. I literally just come from downstairs. We've just been seeing patients today, and it's a fairly intensive course where you get to see patients fairly early on within your academic career. We tend to see them halfway through our first year, and initially it starts off a couple of days a week, and at the moment we see them just under 4 days a week, and it's fairly intensive because it's a case of whoever walks in off the street, you see that patient according to their needs, and the whole beauty of it is you never know what's going to happen next. It's a lot of problem solving, a lot of interaction with the patients. I think that's what we enjoy most here at Peninsula Dental School. Peninsula is one of the few graduate dental schools within the country itself, and I actually come from Yorkshire, and I wanted somewhere where it allowed me to actually do a graduate course and also do a course where it's quite intensive on the clinic side of things, because I've done my academia before. I've done my bachelor's degree, and I wanted something where I can just go literally get in there. I mean, no pun intended, but literally get stuck in there. That's something which I wanted. That's something which Peninsula offers. And one of the benefits is that we're actually in quite a good location here because we've got the Royal Cornwall Hospital in front of us there. We've got the Knowledge Park, which is next door to us here. We also get the medics there. So we also get quite good academic facilities as well as the clinic facility here where we work. I would say, yeah, I mean, the supervisors that we do actually have here are actually dentists within themselves with a number of years experience under their belt. So they tend to supervise every step of the treatment that we provide. It's all of us seen by a qualified dentist. And the beauty is that we see dentists from different backgrounds. We have people from an oral surgery background, people from a private dentistry background, NHS background, people from a cosmetic background. Because we've got all these different various levels of input, it helps us give a broad scope for our own knowledge. And it's something which eventually the patient benefits from this. And the supervisors generally are quite proactive, very friendly, and it's a case of they teach you as you go along rather than telling you what to do, which is very important to differentiate, because it'd be very easy for them to say do this, do this, do this, but they don't actually do that. They actually teach you, which is the most important thing about learning. The facilities we have here, we have 2 floors, I think 16 chairs on each floor. And the way it works is you're paired up with another person and you're taking turns with the dentist or the dental nurse, and you are generally with that person all the time, so you get to know how he or she works and you get to work as a team. Again, the end result is always that the patient gets the best care, and by working with another person you get to know your strengths and more importantly your own weaknesses as well. It's something which you can work on. The facilities are fairly good. As you can look around, we've got some quite nice chairs here, quite nice equipment as well, and the materials, everything's kind of provided for. The nurses are very helpful as well and being proactive as well, because that's something which comes across not only to us as students but something which comes across to the patient as well. I mean, the lifestyle for someone who comes from a town which is, I think, 60 miles from the sea. When I did come down to Cornwall, when I did see the sea for the first time, I must admit, I'd put my hands up. It was quite breathtaking because the view was absolutely amazing. And being in a facility where we are sitting now, knowing that the beach is 5 minutes away in good traffic, the beach is 5 minutes away, it's absolutely a mind-blowing concept. It really is. It's quite a small town, quite a quaint town. There's quite nice people down here as well, which makes it a lot friendly, and it makes studying here a lot better as well, because you know the people you see at the clinic generally be people who you pass around in towns, restaurants and bars within the city centre, and it's just a really nice place to actually be. The advice I would offer to students thinking about coming to study in Cornwall would be that if they want to do a very hands-on, very proactive dental course where you get clinical experience firsthand, where you have very proactive supervisors, very proactive nurses, and at the same time you want to have a social life as well, somewhere where there's nice restaurants, nice bars, there's a beach, then Cornwall's definitely the place for you.